In this video, I will show you how to change icons on Android the right way. Are you tired of staring at the same old boring icons on your phone? Do you want to customize them so that they give your phone a unique look? You have come to the right place because in this tutorial, I'll show you 2 ways to style, customize, and change the look of your icons. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, kindly do so if you want to keep getting videos like this from us. Thanks for the support. Alright, let's dive in. First up is the launcher method. A launcher is an app that can completely transform your Android phone, giving it a new look, feel, and function without touching your personal data. The truth is that your built-in launcher is usually pretty limited, which is why we will turn to a third-party one, Nova Launcher. For several years, Nova Launcher has been my favorite for some good reasons. To grab this app, head to your Google Play Store. Once downloaded, open it. Your phone will ask you to set it as your default home app. Just go ahead and confirm that. Next, long press an empty area on your new home screen and tap on Settings. From there, go to Look and Feel. Then Icon Style. And finally, the icon shape. Here, you can style and customize your icons to suit your preferences. Another customization feature that Nova Launcher has is the ability to customize single icons. To do this, find the icon you want to change. Long press the specific icon you want to change and a little menu will pop up. Tap the pencil icon to edit. A new window will appear. Now tap the icon image itself, and you will be able to replace the icon. This could be your picture or any other image you prefer. So guys, go ahead and style your icons the way you want. Now, for the second method, which is the built-in option, specifically for Samsung Galaxy phone users. I will switch back to my default launcher to show you how this works. Here on your home screen, long press an empty area. Tap on Themes and then head to Icon tabs. Here, you can browse and download lots of free icon packs directly from your Galaxy Store to your phone, which is a great way to freshen things without adding extra apps. So guys, that wraps up this tutorial. If you have questions about the whole process, let me know in the comments below. If you got value from the video, kindly give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.